Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Somewhere in downtown Protaras on the wonderful, exceptional island of love known as Cyprus. And I brought with me the most beautiful woman in the world, and we're going to go for a wiggle and a waggle that away. There's a nice pier and it's going to be a nice sunset. Watching Receive Your Booth.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again. What's that hotel over there, Receive the Booth? Evalina Beach Hotel. Looks like a very, very nice hotel indeed. And of course it's got a spectacular view out across the blue Mediterranean Sea. And we're going to go for a wiggle and waggle along the coastal pathway in downtown Apa. There's a little, well, pier, for want of a better word. And then this is a place where they promote the boat trips. So we're going to wiggle around there and have a, well, stick our nose in and see what boat trips they've got in downtown Protaras.
You know, I think that these places are so unusual to what we used to see, because such a trees around the seaside I have never seen in Paphos. Look.
Well, they're like some sort of pine tree, but I'm sure Mr. Ian will let us know what they are. We understand that that's the more common tree to the coastline, but these are slightly unusual. Some sort of fern tree, and there seems to be quite a lot of them in downtown Protaras. Look at that for a view. Absolutely spectacular. It's like the milkiest lakes in the milkiest lakes in the world, isn't it, Chrissy?
Yes, but I say lakiest lakes of all the lakiest lakes in the world.
Yes, very calm, very tranquil. New theme of the channel, if you're wondering what time of year it is. Well, first week of December. Yes, you heard me correctly. Temperature, even at around about 4 o'clock at night, is around about 24-25 degrees. Now, that's some of the boat trips on offer in downtown Protaras. You've got Captain Pinikos boat trip, €13. And that shows you some of the things they go out and do. You've got the biggest glass bottom boat in downtown Protaras. That's called the Dolphin. Again, gives you an idea, and it shows you the ground floor deck. Looks quite spectacular. There's the Aphrodite cruises. That's the St. George's cruise boat. And there's the biggest glass bottom boat and aquarium in downtown Apa, so it says. And it's got Coca-Cola on the side of it, so that has to be telling us the truth. And then if you want to go on a fishing trip, that could be the special boat for you. And then you've got the yellow boat cruises. And great views across the blue Mediterranean Sea. And of course, waiting very patiently is the most beautiful woman in the world, because of course she wants to take us for a bit of a monkey around.
And if you jump up where I am standing now, Mr. Paul, you'll see much more different view than that you have now.
Right, let's get a higher ground and let's just capture the beauty and spectacality of the spectacular view off the coastline in downtown Protaras. The blue Mediterranean Sea is a kissing, a licking and a lapping. The spectacular rock formation and coastline of Protaras. And that ocean is very calm indeed and exceptionally blue. And now we got the monkey at work.
It's unbelievable how calm the sea is these days. It doesn't look like this time of the year. It looks like the calmest calm sea in the world I have ever seen, actually. Even in summer, it's not that calm than now.
Are you coming back up, Receive the other booth? Here we go. Let's follow the rear end of watching Receive the Booth as she takes us along on a little trip along this rather nice pier. Then we can get some spectacular views, that's for sure. think Chuck Norris is coming to town. And Jackie Chan is in hot pursuit. So this is a rather nice pier. And as you can see, there's many people fishing for their supper. We'll go and get some chips and we'll bring some bread. And we'll bring Agapio, the cockatoo, with us. And we'll get some butter. Look at those for views. Doesn't get much better other than that. So what do you think, Receivia
Wow.
Alabouf?
I don't know how to explain it. I nearly swallowed my tongue. This is a definitely place to come. The place where leaves unforgettable shade in the memory of your brain above you, and you always know where to come back again and again.
And again. The views are truly spectacular. Have a look at that. Imagine sitting on the terrace on the balcony of the Evelina Beach Hotel and enjoying your morning coffee as you digest and look out into the abyss across the blue Mediterranean Sea, pondering on which boat cruise to go on. And in the eve you can watch the fishermen at their work catching their evening supper. Receiving?
You know, I just looked down, Mr. Paul, from there, and if you stick the camera over that side where I'm showing, you will understand how deep the sea on this level is. Please.
Well, the idea of this little pier is the boats can actually come and park up, and then these are the gangways that take you out onto the various cruises, Receiving. It's like a mist and a fog settling on the sea, isn't it? It's absolutely spectacular. It really, really is. And you may have noticed there's beautiful sandy beaches in uptown Protaras. It's a great, great place to come, whether it be for a weekend, a week, a fortnight, or the rest of your life. Again, fishermen at work. We're going to get to the end of this pier and we're going to show you truly spectacular views, and we're going to bring you back into the Protaras coastline, and you can digest and understand that this could be that special, special place for you to come for that special holiday.
I think we are now at about 5 to 7 meters high above the sea, but it says nothing if you don't look at this beauty. I swallowed my tongue, that's it.
The clarity of the water is absolutely spectacular. I don't think it gets much better than that. Steve Alabouf?
Well, it's amazing. I don't know how to describe it. If you believe me or not, it looks like a paradise. The sky is blue, the sea is blue, Mr. Paul is blue, even his hat, and all is missing is you.
So get yourself on a big bird or a canoe, start paddling like crazy. This is where the fishermen come at night and they catch their fish. We're going to go and buy a portion of chips, we'll get some bread, we'll bring Agapio and he'll bring us some butter, and we're going to get a great, great sit-down meal. It's a spectacular place to come. Protaras at its very, very best. Have a look at that. All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and of course if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, please come back for a little bit more of our madness. Let's get the big, big goodbye from the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin. Receivia Alabouf.
And I would like to thank you for watching. I would like to tell you how much we loving you and how much you are giving us that big attention and that big love that we every time feel when you switch on our channel. And we want to say that nothing can be better than the life in the life and the peace in the peace. So we're wishing you the great peace in all the pieces in the life. And we're loving you to bits, and many kisses from the bottom of our hearts. And please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses.
I think that another may have been for you, Mr. Richard. Let's leave you with a spectacular view across the blue Mediterranean Sea. The sun is setting in the sky. There's a mist forming, but the weather, well, it takes your breath away. Thanks for watching.